Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about next generation networks and especially how to test and activate them. As a matter of fact, we see XGS PON to be the next trend, but at the same time 10 GigaPON or NG-PON2 are coming very fast. With this mix of wavelengths, we're going to face two main challenges. The first one is that basic power meter will not be able to be selective on the desired wavelengths. The second challenge is related to legacy PON power meter. We won't have any valid measurement anymore. This is why I'm introducing this new PPM350D, which is EXFO's latest PON power meter tester. This unit is compatible with next generation PON technologies such as GPON, EPON, XGPON, XGS-PON, NG-PON2, and 10 GigaPON. This unit is also compatible with triple play layer networks carrying legacy and next generation PON as well as RF video overlays. It can measure upstream ONT burst light levels even at a speed up to 10 gigabit per second. Back to our mix of wavelengths, and as you can imagine, it's going to be challenging and complicated for the technician on the field to actually know exactly which wavelengths they have to measure. This is why EXFO has developed the PON-aware technology, and this will help the technician on the field to actually select automatically the wavelengths and assess the correct pass-fail status directly in the unit. Powered by this technology, this unit also measures the upstream-downstream wavelengths via a pass-through connection. Before going a little bit deeper into the operation mode, let me show you a few additional features. First of all, it has this sunlight-readable touchscreen display. It has also been designed following the IP54 guidance, and it's equipped with a rechargeable battery and internal storage. Now, talking about the GUI, several modes are available. For example, upstream and downstream only, GPON only, or a mix of technology like, for example, GPON and NG-PON2. On the top of the units, we have these two LEDs that will give the technician a clear pass-fail status on both upstream and downstream. This PON power meter has two operation modes. First of all, standalone. So as it is, all the features are embedded and operated via the touchscreen. All the pass-fail assessments are based in standards, and all the results can be stored directly into the unit. The second mode is as connected device. As a matter of fact, you can connect this unit, the PPM350D, directly to your smartphone using an intelligent app and Bluetooth. With this app, you will be able to manage the job, but also the pass-fail criteria and share all the results. For more information about next generation networks and how the new PPM350D will help you test and activate them, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.